What's up guys, Chris from Gala12or24. Just coming on here and wanted to show you guys on how to reset any maintenance reminders on your 2024 Nissan Sentra. So you're going to be starting off with this screen. It's going to show the speedometer. You're going to want to go to these cross touch button controls. Go over to the right, go over to the right again, go over to the right until you go and see the little gear icon. You'll be in the settings. You want to go down, 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 down. Not vehicle settings, but maintenance. Click on maintenance. Again, we're using the cross controls. Hit OK. Oil control system. Reset. You can reset that. Oil and filter. Reset. Reset. Tire. Reset. Reset. And other. Reset. Reset. Now, as you can see on this vehicle, this doesn't have any reminders. So to set one, you just literally go back in there, click it, and put up on how many miles you want the reminder to pop up. And other if you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want any more vehicle models, just please give me a subscribe and comment down below on any Nissan and Infiniti.